Hi everyone, welcome to our another video with practical examples already done data types. So today's video, let's discuss all the practical examples in this video on data types. Okay, first some basics to start in this video. In this program, in last videos I already discussed some hexadecimal values and octadecimal values, and this format specifier first one is, and this is format specifier of integer, and this is format specifier for hexadecimal, and this is octadecimal. Okay, let's observe the output. When integer means percentage day, so hash is into define int, so 50 means, so hash is 50 printed, and when hexadecimal, this 50 is converted to hexa. Let's observe. When I write this 50 in hexadecimal, what's the binary of 50? 50 binary is 110010. This is the 50, right? And 32 plus 16 plus 2, this is 50. And in this hexadecimal, divide 4. So 1 2 3 4. So what is this 4 value? This 4 value is what? 2. And initial there is no value, so then let's take 0. Then this 4 equal to 3, because 2 plus 1 is 3, and this is 2. So finally the output 3 2, so 32. Then hexadecimal is 32. When I wrote octa, same binary is 110010. This is right. And octa means divide 3. Okay, then these first 3, what's the value? 4 plus 2, that means 6, and 0 1 0, that means 2. Then finally printed 6 2. I understand how the output is getting. Okay, percentage d integer means, so 50 is there, initialize 50, so that initial value num is printed in this integer, there 50. and second printf is initial format specifier is percentage x, that means hexadecimal. Then 50 binary, this is 50 binary. This 50 binary divided into 4 parts from right to left. This is 4 right, that 4 means 2, and initial we put 2 zeros, then this 4 value is 3. So this is hexadecimal and this is octadecimal. I understand everyone to this is very simple. And let's do another code. I wrote some code for basics of floating point data. In this code, in this code we initialize var with the float. That float value is 23.5. So in this print 23.5, and I already told you float after decimal default is 6 zeros, then print already one completed and 5 zeros 5, and e means exponential. So this is converted to 2.35. After point 60 zeros is there in float, so already 3 5 are 2 digits and 4 zeros is none, plus e plus point shift to 1 plus, that is third place, then e plus 1. Okay, and this is observe where into at equal to 100. This is compound assignment. This is compound assignment. This is equal to where into 100. Okay, this is the where define of where into equal to 100. That means 23, where value is 23.5, right? 23.5 into how much? 100. Okay, then value becomes 2350. Okay, decimal shift to 2 points, then where now becomes 2350. So in this way print 2350.60. And exponential means point shifted to left side or right side. In this point shift to left side 3 positions, then 2.35 2.35 1 2 3 4 2.35 e plus 3, because of 3 points shifted, right? So e plus 3, and this is also same compound assignment. This is value equal to where by 100, sorry, 10,000. Okay, so the value now becomes 2350 by 10,000. So the output is 0.2350. This way all this where, and now where is changed to -345.6789. so same all the processor same this way working. Okay, let's observe the output. Okay, 23.5 5 zeros and 2.35 e plus 1 and e plus 3. Okay, I think all clarify about this way of floating point data, and shall we move to another code? Okay, Okay, observe this code. In this code we use sortint and unsigned sortint. Why I don't mention signed sortint? Because default already signed is there. Then let we assign int s1 means default signed int s1, and let we initialize short int s1 means default signed short int s1. Then we only mention unsigned means that is converted to unsigned. Okay, in this code short int s1 equal 0 and s2 equal to 0, and unsigned sortint u1 equal 0 and u2 equal to 0. So in this print, what is the s1 s1 value? 0, and s2 value is 0 printed, and unsigned print same value is u1 equal 0 and u2 equal to 0 printed. And observe this, s2 equal to, in this way, s2 equal to s1 means 0 minus 1, so there is minus 1, and same u2 equal to u1 means 0, so 0 minus 1, so this is also minus 1. And I already discussed in sortint topic, there are signed sortint, there are two values are there. One is 0 to 120, sorry, 0 to 3, something 0 to 30k value, and another is minus 1 to 30k, sorry, 30, and unsigned value is approximately 0 to 65535. We discussed in already, and in this way printed uh, print s1 and s2, so as it is values are printed in this 0, s1 means 0 and s2 means minus 1 is printed. There is no effect, no problem, and there is no values are changed. And in this way observe, in unsigned sorting there are no negative values is there. Then that negative value I already told you, that cycling process is done. Then minus 1 means reverse, so minus 1 means 65535 printed, so 0 and 65535 is printed. Okay, understand. First 0 0 and 0 minus 1 and 0 65535. Okay, clarify about sorting and data types. Is there any doubt in these examples? Please first basic video of sorting data types watch, and then clarify in this code. And another code observe. Observe this code. I already in this video already starting we discuss some hexadecimal and octadecimal. In this code I initialize int a equal to integer data 20 and b equal to octadecimal 0 to 1 and calculate and observe octadecimal value 0 to 1 and c value I initialize hexadecimal value. Okay, and I declare another variable d and d assign the value of a plus b plus c. And now first what the process is done in this expression. First, what is the value of a means 20, and what is the octa 20 plus, and what is the octa of 21. So 21 means, so observe, so octa 0 to 1. So this is converted to octa. That means first 1 means 0 0 1, and 2 means 0 double 1, oh sorry, 0 1 0. And what is the binary of this? This is 1 and 2 and 4 8 16 and plus 1. 16 plus 1 means 17. So this is the binary value of 17 and converted hexadecimal 0x22. This is converted to, and first 2 means 0 0 1 0 and same 0 0 1 0. So this is the hexadecimal of 22 and the value is 32 plus 2 means 34. The value is 34. And what's the sum? 20 plus 17 plus and 34. Now 7 plus 4 means 1, so 71. The sum is 71. So in this first d percentage d, then means 71 printed, and after 71 the octa format specifier is used in this code. Then print the binary of that code. What's the octadecimal? So this is the code. After calculating 71, that converted to binary. So first print 71 and after octa, that means 107, and hexa means 47. This is binary is printed. How this conversion is happen? Observe. First 71 binary. 71 binary is 71 binary is 64 plus 64 plus 4, 64 plus 4 is 68, 68 plus 2 70, 71. So 64 32 and 16 8 4 2 1. This is the binary of what? 71. So this is the binary of 71, and this binary converted to octa. So that means first divide 1 1 and after 0 0 0 0 0 0 and after 1. So initially there is no value, then we assume two zeros, then after means divide 3 3 3. Okay, in this division first one is 1 and this is 0, sorry, this is 0 and this is 7. So now combine all these, what, 107. So understand how the 107 becomes. And next, converted to hexadecimal, that means 0 triple 1 0 1 1 1. This is 1. This is equal to what? 4 plus 2 plus 1 means 7. Okay, so 7. And after up to 0 completed and 0 0 1 0, so that means 0 1 double 0. So this is the value of 4, right? So 4 and 7 combine 47. So this is the value of output. Out and check it. Okay, okay, 71 107 47. I think clarify everyone about this. And okay, okay, shall we end this session? And some interesting code I uploaded in post, so please observe, and that codes are very interesting, and do that codes. And is there any doubts, and please comment below. Okay, thank you.